What's up, everybody? Welcome back right here to the channel. Top meme coins by market cap. So what I want to do in this video is talk about some of the top meme coins, in particular, the top 8 meme coins and where I see them going in the next bull run. And maybe we can shed some light on where this money will flow into this particular sector when the market comes back. Now, some people think we could be in a bull run by 2023, maybe the end of the year, maybe into 2024. Real quick before we dive into the top meme coins, we know that everything follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance has been crushing it, right? We might even be able to get to 60% dominance relatively soon here with Bitcoin. 65%, maybe if you exclude stable coins. It's not out of the realm of possibility. But let's focus in here on meme coins in this video because we know the potential that a lot of these still have. And in this particular video, I want to talk about the ones that have survived to this point. Some of the larger market cap plays, right? So we're just going to go down the list one by one. Stick around for the video because I think you're going to like that I've got a little piece for everything here as we go through this list. As we go through it, if you get some value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video out with some friends. All right, so we start at the top, a top 10 cryptocurrency. That's right, a top 10. It's crazy. We have 2 of these in the top 15. We have a top 10 and a top 15. Let's start with Dogecoin. All right, so Doge, we know what kind of strength Doge showed in 2020 and in 2021. What will drive Dogecoin higher? Well, it's Elon Musk. Right? That is my number one catalyst. And it's crazy to say that, but now he has more followers than anybody on Twitter. He owns Twitter and he loves Dogecoin. And oh yeah, he's trying to integrate payments into Twitter, maybe even create their own wallet and who knows what else as it relates to digital currency. So when it comes to Dogecoin, I think you have to start with Elon. And what kind of utility will Doge have? We really don't know yet. So far, it's just been a super, super strong community. We know a lot of people hold their Dogecoin on Robinhood and just kind of set it and forget it, which is good. And we know the hype will come back when Dogecoin starts moving, especially when it gets up to like that 20-cent range. Look out. I think FOMO could set in and we could be on a rally. Now, Shiba Inu, number 2. SHIB is ranked number 2 on this list. SHIB is also currently about an 8x away from its all-time high. And when we look at the market cap, Dogecoin at 10.3 billion, Shiba Inu at about 6.2 billion. These two are in a league of their own when it comes to market cap. They're the only 2 right now in this bear market that have stayed in this range, in the billion-dollar range, multi-billion-dollar range. When it comes to SHIB, it's all about Shibarium and it's all about the metaverse. If they can align these 2 together and time that up with the next bull cycle, and they could bring a lot of future dApps and projects to Shibarium, and that activity grows and grows and snowballs, and all of a sudden we ramp up these SHIB burns, look out. Here's another thing to consider. Shiba Inu was the most searched cryptocurrency in the month of March this year, just this month in the United States. The hype has not completely went away, and it won't take much for SHIB to 8x and get back to its previous all-time high. And then once we get there, we know we're in the peak of a bull run. Look out. Shiba Inu could get cooking. How about baby Dogecoin? Big drop off here by market cap. So we go all the way from a $6.2 billion market cap to a $307 million market cap when it comes to baby Doge. Now, one thing baby Dogecoin has is holders. It's got a super strong community, and it also has the whales on the BSC side. I failed to mention Shiba Inu has the whales on the Ethereum side. So they're very similar. It's kind of the baby Dogecoin of the the Shiba Inu of the Binance Smart Chain. In a lot of ways, that's how I look at baby Doge. In terms of utility, I know they're rolling out some things slowly, but here's the thing. Baby Doge has a lot of zeros, and I don't think it's going away. You could see it's up 23% in the last 24 hours. It has been cooking here in 2023. Very much looking forward to baby Doge cracking that top 100 once and for all and staying there in the next bull cycle. The same can be said for Floki Inu. So Floki right now, $294 million market cap. Why it's ranked 120, baby Doge is ranked 220, I'm not 100% sure. But Floki, again, has gained some serious steam here in 2023. It too is starting to roll out its utilities and trying to utilize that Shiba Inu model. Let the community kind of dictate where they want to take this after they built up this super strong community. Now, moving down the list, Bone. Let's talk about Bone, the governance token for the SHIB ecosystem, for Shibarium. Also, the gas token for Shibarium. Tremendous upside here. I think in the next bull cycle, a $10 to $15 Bone is certainly reasonable. We're sitting at $1 right now. I don't know about you, but when I'm looking at meme coins and community tokens, I want a lot of my tokens to be like solidified. Bone is solidified. It has utility. We know what its use case is. I love Bone. I think it's going to do tremendous in the next cycle. Doge on Mars, another Elon play with the ticker symbol Elon. This thing went parabolic, cracked the top 100 a couple years ago, sitting still right outside the top 100. I think as this bull cycle heats up, we're going to find out if Doge on Mars can get cooking. And I think it needs a utility. I think it needs something to hang its hat on. What's crazy is this token got listed on, Gemini and crypto.com out of nowhere. So a lot of people hold it on large centralized exchange. And again, kind of like Dogecoin, they've set it and forget it. We'll see what happens in the next cycle. Let's talk about Suka. So Suka is an $83 million market cap. Doge on Mars, by the way, $180 million. So kind of a drop off here between these last two that I want to talk about. It's Suka and Volt. Suka, ranked number 301 right now. Listen, Suka launched in May of 2022, right when the bear market set in. They have not seen a bull market. Yet they're still ranked right outside the top 300, essentially in the top 300. They've been as high as about 24 cents, which is only a 3x away from here. And just recently, they were over $100 million market cap. What does Suka have going for it? Well, they're completely decentralized. Their tokenomics are amazing. There's no buy and sell tax. And it may or may not be founded by the SHIB founder, Ryoshi. There are a ton of connections on the blockchain that certainly turn some heads. Now, the big question for Suka, and it's being teased right now amongst the community, is what's next? What major utilities are coming? I have a feeling we're going to get some major news on that front. Very much looking forward to Suka getting listed on some larger exchanges as well. Right now on Gate.io and a couple other decent size ones. Polynex is also one that just listed Suka. Ton of volume there, about $1 million of volume yesterday. I'm going to be very, very interested to see where this thing goes, especially once they create their own digital economy, which seems to be what they want to do. Volt Inu, a ton of utility rolling out this year. They have been trucking along. I really like the Volt community, super positive. Early on, they were very connected to SHIB. That'd be awesome if they can find a way to come back, right? Shaitoshi and Voltoshi maybe come together, right? A lot of people who miss the Shiba Inu burst, they've sided with Volt. They have got on board. But here's the cool thing. They don't hate on the SHIB army. It's very, very positive over there. Same could be said for Suka. Volt has now their own debit card. They're also rolling out, of course, they had Volti change. They've got a lot of things happening now. And their recent partnership with OKX is certainly something to consider. Very much looking forward to these 8 top meme coins in the next bull cycle. Let me know down below which ones you hold, which ones you're most bullish on for the next cycle. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video.